Hey y'all, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I did the foam. I'm going to utilize this small little square because I promised my son he can use this one today, and it's the last piece I have until Amazon delivers tomorrow. I used a hand press, this foam cutter, and some foam, into which I'll have the link on where I purchased everything from Amazon. No affiliates, just bought it to mess around. This is a DTF print that I printed from the P600. I'm trying to see here where I'm going to put it because I'm trying to use old foam. Perfect. That'll work. I'm actually going to cut it because this one is thicker, so we're going to use the thick one. I'm just going to cut it to make it fit here. Okay, I'm going to turn on the Cricut Mini onto the number 2. I have removed the transfer from the film only because it requires less pressure to apply. So once I did that, give me 1 second, I'm going to cut it. All right, I did a hack job cutting it. The press has gotten to its temperature. So I'm going to take a Teflon sheet and put it over my foam. And the only one time that I will ask y'all to run this like an iron is now and press. Do a couple of times like this. And voila. Of course, you want to make sure your transfer is not crinkled. I didn't have both hands, and the transfer has been sitting here for a couple of days. Once that is put on, you will then turn on your little rig. Now, here's some lessons that I did learn from my post. Is when I first started, I had it there. You want to crank that puppy up because it will melt, and I mean melt. You want to ensure you're on an edge of a table because this one is long. I suppose I could have used the one that is just the right size, but once it reaches temperature, you'll go around it and start to cut. If I can record it. Not hot enough yet. Nope, it's not hot enough. Should only take about a second, but I didn't have it on at all, so. Okay, now it's going. Alright, so you pretty much, I'm gonna need my hand. 1 second. Alright, much better. So, don't come for me about the smell if y'all are doing DTF without protection. So, you literally just go around the edge. You want to make sure it's off the table. And of course, not rush the process. That's all to it. And then you take your other tools, because there are other tools, and you fine tune it if you need to. You know, I was just practicing because I will be using them for my husband's props and making foam numbers and stuff like that. So on top of centerpieces and cake toppers and decorations, they will be photography props for my husband. But if you had letters, then you would just go around it and carve out what you would want. You pretty much trace your design. That's it. I'll add the links to the stuff down below. And really, you can stick anything. I do recommend that the designs you are putting are, you know, pieces that you can pull and put together, because when you're cutting the foam, then it'll be a bunch of pieces or some white, or some white inside the foam if it's not all one piece. Other than that, let me know what you guys end up doing. This is pretty fun. My husband enjoyed it. He actually took my Audacity. I'm going to, with my Dremel, add a groove around my Audacity logo, something like this, and put some LED lights around it just to see. Just messing around. Again, the lights will come in for more like centerpieces or photography prop display. Alright guys, thanks for watching.